In this video, we are going to see how we can swipe two variables in a Python. There are two popular ways to do it. One is using temp variable, another is without using temp variable. For this, I will be assigning two variables as a and b and a temp variable for storing temporary values. Simply printing these values. Now you can see a is equals to 20 and b is equals to 10. After swiping, it will be like a is equal to 10, b is equals to 20. Main logic start here. Here we will be storing a value from our variable to a temp variable, like we are storing a to temp. Then we will be store b to a. Then we will be store b to temp. Like we will be store a value where temporary variable. Then we will be assigning b value to a. Then we will be doing storing in b temp value. That's our actual a value. After swiping, I will simply print these values so you can see actual swiping happen or not. So I will be copying this code, then only changing before to after. Now I will run this cell. Now you can see our values are changed, our values are swapped. After we will see without using swap variable, without using a variable for swapping. So Python gives us a functionality to do it in a single row. Simply I will be reassigning this variable, and now I will be simply swapping it like multiple variables in a single row and printing after swapping. Now you can see swapping is happen. This swapping with using temp variable, it's more for developing your logic.